Gaming is all about speed, and your standard 60Hz monitor cannot keep up with the fast games. What you need is a 240Hz gaming monitor, and today we're going to review Sceptre's 32-inch curved monitor with a fast 240Hz refresh rate. So in this review, we're going to go over the features, specs, and see if really worth buying 240Hz refresh rate monitor. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. Also, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications for the future videos. So let's do a quick unboxing. The monitor comes in very good packaging. The box is labeled with warning sign to open it from the correct side, so you won't damage the screen. Sceptre also includes very well detailed instructions on how to assemble the monitor without damaging it. So the box includes monitor stand and power supply, Displayport cable with assembly parts and assembly instructions. Now let's look at the specs. It is a 32-inch curved monitor with full HD screen, 16:9 aspect ratio, edge-lit LED, 240Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, 1800R curved screen, built-in speakers, AMD FreeSync Premium. It's a VA panel and weighs only 12.6 pounds. Now let's look at the ports. Monitor has two HDMI 1.4 ports, a single HDMI 2 port, and a DisplayPort, 3.5mm audio output port, and a built-in two 3-watt speakers. Now let's look at the design and build quality. Sceptre definitely surprised me with its top-notch build quality, and the material feels premium. It is one of the budget-friendly 32-inch curved monitor in the market and priced around $330 and offers 240Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. It is a beast of a gaming monitor with its 240Hz refresh rate and fast 1 millisecond response time. But if you do video editing, you will definitely appreciate the option to have fast refresh rate as well. The monitor is also rated for blue light shift, which allows you to comfortably work, watch, or play games without straining your eyes. The panel is curved with 1800R curvature rating, which makes for a more immersive gaming experience as compared to a flat screen monitor. The build quality of the stand is excellent as well, and it is all metal, which speaks premium. It holds the monitor quite well, and there's no wobbling. The display can tilt up to 15 degrees backward and forward, allowing you to find perfect viewing angle and comfort. But you can also mount the monitor to the wall or mounting arm of your choice with available Visa mount option. Let's talk about gaming on this monitor. Playing game on this monitor was an excellent experience. It offers 1 millisecond response time and 240Hz refresh rate. Response was always quick and input lag non-existent. But unfortunately, not every game out there is ready for 240Hz refresh rate. But the good news is the most recent games will run smoothly on the screen with available adjustable refresh rate options to choose. It does not matter whether you had a 60Hz monitor or even 140Hz monitor in the past, you will quickly feel the difference with 240Hz refresh rate. Once you experience it, even for a short while, it is hard to go back to a 60Hz monitor or any other monitor under 100Hz refresh rate. But keep in mind, you need a good CPU and GPU to take full advantage of the high refresh rate. This display has some serious performance capabilities. The 32-inch 1800R curve immerses you in all the action no matter where you choose to sit in the room. The monitor also shines if you play multiplayer games titled, for example, LEGO Marvel Superheroes or other LEGO games with split screen option. It allows each individual to have a good screen real estate. The monitor is certified to run AMD FreeSync Premium as well, so you'll get all the high refresh rate goodness without smearing or tearing. The VA panel delivers excellent black levels. The colors look sharp and excellent contrast. The monitor is set by default to display its full native 78% DCI-P3 and 98% sRGB color gamut. And out of the box, the color accuracy is quite good, and the brightness comes in around 300 nits. Watching full HD content looks really good and provides great viewing angles. The monitor also has two built-in 3-watt speakers, and they produce good sound and save you money from buying some standard speakers. During our Passmark monitor test, the panel produced great results. The test panel showed great image quality, the frequency patterns were clear and defined, with good color gradients. There were no dead pixel, no light bleed as well. Black, red, green, and blue color results were good. The convergent dots and lines look really good as well. The black and gray uniformity looks good as well. Next, we test the monitor using ghosting test, and as you can see, there's very little ghosting as the UFO moves from left to right on the trailing edge of the UFO, with a different refresh rate displayed on the screen. Eye tracking test also shows good results. Moving on to the blur test, and it shows good results as well, with very little to very low blurring. Overall, monitor produced great results in gaming and general usage. Now let's talk about menu controls. The Sceptre menu control are easy to use. The buttons are on the right side of the monitor, and there are plenty of options to choose from. We are going to go over the options really quickly. There are 4 main choices, each labeled with name and icon. Under Quick Start, you have an option to adjust backlight, brightness, contrast, preset, volume, aspect ratio, source, blue light shift option, and FreeSync. Then moving on to the picture settings, we have a backlight, brightness, contrast, preset, DCR, aspect ratio, and sharpness. Then moving on to the system settings, which allows you to set overdrive, FreeSync, sleep mode, language, OSD settings, mute option, volume adjustment, or you can reset all the monitor settings to default. There are plenty of options to choose from and can easily satisfy different audiences. Let's do the final summary. The Sceptre is a beast of a monitor, and it did perform extremely well in this review. The near 32-inch of curved real estate with 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time can be overwhelming for some, and you need to make sure you have a CPU and GPU power to take full advantage of this monitor. The monitor also has a lot of configuration options and menu to choose from, and the build quality feels good with specs to back it up. In the end, the Sceptre provides great experience with full HD picture and 240Hz refresh rate at a good price. Let me know what you guys think of Sceptre monitor in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications for the future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.